Guys, ang cute ng pusa dito. Ming Ming! Ming Ming! Uy, nalisan ako. Ming Ming! Nalisan ako. Ming Ming! Ming Ming! Ming Ming! Diyan, diyan, come! There is a cat! Ming Ming! Ming Ming! Come, cat! Ming Ming! See, diyan, diyan? He is good! Ming Ming! Ming!
Can I touch him?
Yes, yes, you can. Ah, Ming Ming.
Can I touch
Jan wants to
the
play with you. Kati, Ming Ming.
Can I touch?
There is food. You can give some food for him. Come here. Ming Ming, come on. Oh, Ming Ming. Guys, ang bait-bait ng pusang ere. Ang cute. Ang lusog-lusog niya, guys. Come here, honey. Ah, look. Oh, Ming Ming. Ang cute. Ming Ming. Uy, ang bait niya. Mahin, ang bait niya. Ming Ming. I will wash later. Come in. Come on. Ang alam ko sino-sino. Uy, ang cute niya. Oh, Ming Ming. Wala kaming food na dala sa'yo. Wala kaming food. Jan wants to play with you.
You don't need to touch. Maybe you will not sneeze.
Huh? No, he is good. He is. I will clean my hand later. Come on, Ming Ming. Come on, Ming. Come on. He is hungry. He needs food. But I did not bring for you food, Ming Ming. Ang bait-bait niya, guys.
Touch his tail.
Touch his tail. Come on. Come on. Ang bait niya. Ang bait. Ming Ming. Come on, Ming. Next time I will bring for you food, okay? Bye! Ming Ming! Parang buntis siya, guys. Parang buntis. Ayun na siya. Umalis. Ming Ming! Ang daming pusa dito. Ang daming mga pusa dito. Yeah. Call him. Call him. Ming Ming, come! Jan want to play with you. Ming Ming, come on. Come, Ming Ming. Ming Ming. Bye! Hello!
Maybe they like to touch the head.
Hello,
They
Ming.
like to touch the
Ming Ming,
head.
come on. Touch him, touch him. You can play with him. Hi, Ming. Oh, ang bait. Super bait na, ga. Anak, touch him. Hi. You want to come with us? You want to come with us, Ming? Ang bait-bait niya, guys. Pusang gala. Pero super bait niya. Hindi siya nangangagat. Tingnan mo, ang bait-bait. Yan, guys, tingnan nyo. Naku, kung makita to ng kumari Ketisin ko, kukunin na naman niya to. Marge, napakabait niya. Ay! Ha! Kinagat ako. Why? Pero hindi naman siya masakit. Na ano lang. Ay, baka gutom. Baka gutom siya. Okay, bye. Wala naman. Hindi naman siya, hindi naman kumapit yung ano niya. Parang naano lang yung kamay ko. Bye, cat. See you.
Mommy, it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Because he said, why you not bring food for me? I feel hungry. Bye, cat. See you. Ay, naku, guys. Super bait niya. Napakabait ng pusang iyon. Madami ditong mga pusa, guys. Mga pusang gala, pero may mga taong magbibigay ng food sa kanila. Later here, there is food here. I mean, there is cat, not food. We will check here. Maybe I can find another cat.
Okay.
Wow.
Is this the cat?
Yes, I will see where is the other cat here. Guys, andito kami sa park ngayon. Nag-ikot-ikot kami with Jan. Kevin, say hi to them. My love. Ikot namin at naboboard siya sa bahay. Ayan, andito kami sa park. Ayan, guys. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
With my boy. Hello, guys. Say hi to them. Come on. Nalulungkot siya. Ayan. Thank you, guys, for watching. Keep safe, everyone. God bless. Bye-bye. Say hi.
Hi. Mommy, let's see.
Bye.
Go step.
Thank you, guys.